Preventative maintenance is the lifeblood of every drilling operation. Without proper care for lubricated components, operations suffer from decreased efficiency and damaged machinery, causing unscheduled downtime. Enter Pilot Thomas Logistics. We're the one-stop shop for drilling rig lubrication products and services. With more than 70 years of experience to industry leaders in every major U.S. oil basin, we have the experience and know-how to keep your operation running smoothly. Drivers and technicians at Pilot Thomas Logistics are rigorously trained to perform oil changes to any piece of equipment on the spot. Our trucks are fully loaded with everything required to drain, refill, and dispose of used product, all in one service call. And we offer a range of high-quality products that can meet the challenges of any drilling operation. Our innovative continuous loop filtration system filters lubricant products to your specific ISO standards with no downtime. With the aid of moisture and particle counters, our filtration process can leave you with an even higher quality product than if it were to come directly from the manufacturer. The Pilot Thomas Coolant Flushing Program minimizes scale formation and restores pH balance, improving the performance, functionality, and longevity of your equipment. And our fluid analysis program, headed by our in-house lubrication engineer in conjunction with a third-party lab, ensures peak equipment condition by monitoring for contaminants that will decrease the lifespan of your machinery. By creating a partnership with Pilot Thomas Logistics, you can rest assured that your machinery will be properly maintained and monitored, so it stays working better for longer.